Hello everybody, this is Family English with Mr. Kabada. This time I'm going to present daily English expression which are important to improve for your communicative skills as well as your oral fluency. So this is the third expression that we use every day plus you are late. What you are late mean? You are late. Actually, I told you the purpose of this daily English expression which possibly increases for your communicative skills and also your daily communicative activities, which means that it pushes you to use expressions, one expression in different context or situation, and the other it encourages you to use various types of vocabulary words. Anyway, more importantly, it develops your confidence of speaking English. So you are late. When do we use you are late? How do we use you are late, please? Look here, you are late. So the first one, you are late, here is, look here. You are late. When do we use you are late here? Alright, just one thing. The program has already begun, but you are late. Just my friend arrived after the program has already started. So maybe the manager or the leader of the meeting said, or I said to my friend, wow, the meeting or the program has already started, already begun. You are late. What's wrong with you? So you are late means. Lateness means it touches about the time that somebody comes to the program lately, so you are late. One of the programs of you are late. Right? Purpose, you know. Second one, you are late to the class. Look here. You are late. Yes, I'm teaching in the classroom, but one of my students come to the class and knock the door. Yes, sorry teacher, I'm late. I was late. Wow, the program has all the class are already started. You missed the first session, but you are late. But you are late. Right? እኔ እያስተማርኩ እያለሁ ሊሆን ይችላል። መምህሩ እያስተማረ ተማሪው ነው ካደረገ ዘን just apologize አደረገ ዘን ምንድነው የሚለው ሰውየው just you are late ማለት ምንድነው ዘግይተሃል ነው. So you are late to class. Yes, you are late. So this is the second functions of you are late. The third one, please. The third, you can just sometimes we use you are late for making a conversation, having a chat, having a discussion with a friend. Fanos, what do you think? Faris, about what? ምንድነው የምታስበው? ስለምን ጉዳይ? ፋንስ ሐረግ the withdrawal. Well, ሐረግ እኮ withdrawal አወጣሽ. Yes. Faris, what happened with her? ምን ሆና ነው? This is my first time to hear it. I haven't got any information whether she got withdrawal or not. So actually, so what's wrong with her? Right? እኔ ይሄ ነገር ገና ሰማኝና ምን ሆና ነው withdrawal ያወጣችው ነው እየጠየቀ ያለው ያ. She felt anxiety and she couldn't cope the course, yeah? She called anxiety means exam anxiety, alright? Exam anxiety, and she couldn't just achieve courses in university courses. Because of this and other reasons, she doesn't like to continue her education in university, alright? Wow, you are late. This is my first time to hear. You are late means you are late to tell me the information about what happened with ሐረግ ማለት ነው. You are late ማለት ዘገየህ ለኔ ስትነግረኝ ነው. መጀመሪያው አካባቢ ነው በትነግረኝ. I think I try to search some information or some kinds of important that things to learn about her university courses. But you tell me lately. Sorry for that. This is my first time to hear it. ጉዳዩ ካለቀ በኋላ ነው የነገርከኝ ስለዚህ ለኔ መንገር ዘገየ ነው ያለው. ሶስተኛ አጠቃቀሙ you are late. Nice. Number 4 here. Everyone has got change in every aspect. They are found on a good track. Sometimes ልክ ነው. Actually my friends has got changes, but my life remains not changed. Remains the same in terms of my living standard, in terms of maybe my family relationships, yeah, in any aspects, all right? No change at all right? ገብቷችኋል? Everyone has got change in every aspect. ወይ ሰው እኮ ተቀይሯል እኮ ነው እያለ ያለው ሰው ጥሩ እየኖረ ነው ያለው ጥሩ ስታንዳርድ ላይ ነው እያለ ያለው ነው እሱ ስለዚህ ማለት you are still late means you are just no change at all ምንም ለውጥ የለም ባንተ በቃ እንዳለ ነው ማለት ነው you are late ማለት you cannot go with the time you cannot go with the environment you cannot go with the globalization still you are coming back all right ካለው ወቅታዊ ሁኔታ ጋር ሄድክም ሌት ዘግዬ ማለት ነው you are late ማለት ኦኬ you are late ማለት ይሄ ሌላ አጠቃቀሙ ነው ፕሊዝ አራተኛ አጠቃቀሙ ነው you can go with the system even you do not go with your friends and they are much better than you of course look sometimes I'm not go with my friends are much better than me in terms of their thinking ability in terms of their social interaction in terms of their maybe academic performance in terms of their life standards but my aspects are already similar right የኔ ጓደኞቼ ከኔ ቀድመውኛል ባንዋራቸው በትምህርት ደረጃቸው whatever ከማህበራዊ ህይወታቸው strong መሆኑ ከዛ አንፃር ሲታይ they are much better than me right ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምንለው አሁን እዚህ ጋር look you are late we አንተ ህይወት ያንተ ምንም እኮ ለውጥ የለም በቃ still no change ዘግይታል even your social intimacy is back all right social intimacy በቃ በደከመ ነው ለማለት ነው nice another one please the bus has already left the station so I'm going to Adama or maybe Nazareth but I arrived the bus station late so as soon as I arrived at the bus station the bus has already left so what do you say here you are late ዘገየ አውቶቡስ ቁጥሮቷል ዘግይቷል so what shall I do so you just make a line there you will wait the second bus please ዛጋ ሁለተኛው አውቶቡስን ጠብቀት ይሄዳል ከዛውጭ you are late right you are late nice number 7 look here Sitina do you know this ምን አለቻት ይሄን ታውቂዋለሽ ነው አለቻት ሙሚና no I don't know አላውቀው Sitina you know this is common in every supermarket no actually do you know this no I don't know actually I don't know even its purpose is used its name including its name I don't know it's my first time to see here in a supermarket wow you are still late this common is true for girls it's important for women all right it's important for women and girls that you are late የናታውቂውም ኦኬ ይሄ እንደውም ለሴቶች በጣም ጠቃሚ የሆነ ነገር ነው ስለዚህ ዘግይተሻል አንቺ still back you think back ትላታ ዘግይተሻል አንቺ ወደ ኋላ ነው የምታስቢው ማለት ነው yes you are late right here you are late ማለት your thinking ability is still back yeah your thinking ability is still back you cannot go with the system right ከሲስተሙ ጋር ይሽም ለማለቱ ነው እዚህ ጋር right you cannot go with the system you are late mean nice yeah just right number 9 you are late what do I say you are late what do I say there is something that I missed it because of missing of the information or no one has told me about the event so yes anything no you are late what do you say you are late what do you say nice ዘገይታል ምንድነው ማለት የምችለው ማለት ነው you are late what do you say ዘገየ በቃ ለነገሩ ለመረጃው ዘግይታል ስለዚህ ምንድነው ማለት የምትፈልገው what do I say ምን ይችላል you are late yes right nice next number 9 time is gold it's no wait you so will you not go with the time yeah so you will not go with the time yes time is gold ጊዜ ወርቅ ነው ጊዜ አንተን ቆሞ አይጠብቅህም ከሰዓቱ ከጊዜው ጋር ሌክም no so you are late please right you are late you are here no change no motivation no improvement so the time is just over right the time is over it is you're just your purpose your movement plus time is do not go together please right so you are late right ጊዜውና አንተ እኩል አይደላችሁም ጊዜው ቀድሞ ሄደ አንተን ቁጭ አርጎ ቆጥሞ ሄደ አንተ ዘገየ you are late means you do not give value to education this is the reason why you do not send your children a better school your children has less from the class you are late ምንድነው ያለ ያለው አንተና ትምህርት እኮ አንድ ጋር ነው you do not ለትምህርት የምትሰጠው ቫልዩ በጣም ደካማ ነው please this is the reason why you do not go so yes አንድ ምክንያት ልጆችን እንኳን የተሻለ ትምህርት ቤት መርጠህ ክትትል እያደረክ አትልካቸው ለዛ ልጆች በቃ ጥሩ ስቴፕ ላይ የሌሉት so you are late because education is the first thing for every person on earth unless you are educated you cannot compete you cannot live your life remains poor all right I don't mean that the only thing that your life depends is education I don't mean on that way but education is the key for knowing everything all right even managing your life but you don't have any experience you don't have any value for education and you do not send your children in a better school you cannot follow your children so your children remains not change their achievement in academic achievement is somehow less all right so you are late still you are late ትምህርት መሰረታዊ ነገር ነው ትምህርት ላይ ለህይወት መሰረት ነው ኦኬ ስለዚህ ምንም ነገር ለቫልዩ አልሰጠም ዘግይተሃል ነው that's right you are late man nice place Faris at that house የሷ ቤት ነው ልጅ don't make me laugh you are late do you understand yeah at that house don't make me laugh please mamo you are late ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት ቤቷ ነው ወይ of course she is that is her house but Mammo or Faris do not know whether that house is her or not actually it's all right እንዴት አታውቅም ታውቃለህ ብዬ ነው የምትገምተው ነገር ግን እንዴት አንተ ጠይቀኛለህ ይሄን ጥያቄ ነው all right እንዴት ጠይቀኛለህ ባለማወቅህ ዘግይተሃል ነው እያለ ያለው don't make me laugh አታስቀኝ you are late don't make me laugh you are late right don't make me laugh you are late right so she built her own apartment አታውቅም እንዴ የራሷን አፓርትመንት እኮ ገንብታ she enjoys living in a bedroom apartment yeah right she's found her life is she enjoys a luxurious life she built her own apartment and she enjoys living in a bedroom apartment የራሷን አፓርትመንት ገንብታ በራሷ አፓርትመንት የተሻለ ኑሮ ነው እየኖረች ያለችው so you are late you don't have any experience you don't have any information about her so that's all information you are late okay ስለ ጓደኛው ወይም ስለ ሰፈሩ ወይም ስለ ዘመዱ መረጃ የለም ዘግይቶ ነው የሰማው ዘግይታል approach ደካማ ነው you are late በዚህ ትርጉም ማለት nice first you are right I'm late exactly it's undeniably true I'm late all right ልክ ነው አልከዳውም ዘግይቻለሁ yes right nice this is the 11th uses of you are late what about you how can you just use you are late please እናንተስ እንዴት you are late የምትጠቀሙበት you are late የምትጠቀሙበት እንዴት ነው second daily english expressions what do you think ምንድነው የምታስበው number 1 here what do you think we have decided to go there what do you think we have decided to go there we don't want to stay here we don't want to pass our time here we don't want to change any environment any place of living any place of building so what do you think about that yeah what do you think ዚህ ወደዛ ለመሄድ እዛ አካባቢ ሄደን ለመገንባት ለመኖር ኢንጆይ ለማድረግ ለማሳለፍ ወስነናል ምን ሐሳብ አለ what do you think what's your view ማለት ነው what's your opinion about this number 1 he repeatedly phoned to me but I haven't replied to him yet he might be angry what do you think yeah my friend repeatedly phoned me because he want to contact me he want to share some information but I haven't replied yet to him he was angry maybe and I told him the problem to my friend then what do you think about this because he is my friend he repeatedly phoned me but I haven't replied yet what do you think about that ብዙ ጊዜ ደውሎ አልመለስኩለትም ስለዚህ ምን ሊል ይችላል what do you think yes nice next one number 3 here you know the problem is serious so we can't solve it it needs more discussion so nice right you know the problem is severe so we can solve it no it needs more discussion so what do you think the problem she faces is really challenging difficult very serious we have discussed with the families with my friends but still haven't got solution so what do you think about that what will be the next remedy what will be the second solution how can we just get solution to overcome the problem what do you think mean ችግሩ በጣም ከባድ ነው ሶሉሽን መስጠት አላቃቻለም ብዙ ዲስከሽን ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው right ስለዚህ what do you think ምን ማድረግ አለብን ምንድነው የምታስበው ማለት ነው what do you think ማለት ነው have you seen it what do you think in this case means how can we solve the problems of her or her problem actually right number 4 I'm intended to learn in boarding school right what do you think actually there is a very nice and special boarding school here in the town I already decided to learn a boarding school because everything is ready, everything is available. That is, the teaching learning is focused or based on technology. So I would like to learn a boarding school. What do you think about that? I want some opinion from my friend, from my families. All right? I guess you have assigned me for the Kuziga. Zaga Marfaliga. Everything available now Zaga. So I would decide I am changing to learn there. So what do you think about that? What do you think about that? Nice. We have passed different solutions. One of them is a research of 1,000 bound for resistance dam. Yeah. Right? We have passed a resolution about the resistance dam. That everyone should buy a 1,000 bond for the resistance dam. What do you think? Yeah? Yes? አንዳንድ ውሳኔዎችን አሳልፈናል ስለዚህ እያንዳንዱ ሰው የአንድ ሺህ ብር ቦንድ ገዝቶ የሬኔሳንስ ዳምቡ ማለቅ አለበት ነው ስለዚህ ጉዳይ ምን ታስባለህ ነው yes ምን ታስባለህ what do you think about that what's your view regarding this what do you think of this yes what do you think of this we have passed resolutions the first resolution is everyone here in the country should buy a 1,000 bond for the Ethiopian renaissance dam what do you think This is a kind of opinion question, of course. So you can use what do you think in the context, please. Yeah. Number 6. All right, we are in the boutique with my friend because my friend invited me to buy clothes for his wedding or his sister's wedding ceremony. Right? This color is nice. It's not easily faded and modern thousand. What do you think? Yeah. Have you seen that color, please? That color is blue black. This modern color, not easily faded. It's modern fashion. I like to buy this. Right? What do you think about this? What do you think about? Boutique ላይ ነው አይደል ያለው? ቡቲክ ላይ ጓደኛ ጋብዘው እንዳማርጥ ይሄ በጣም ምርጥ ከለር ነው። ሞደርን ፋሽን ነው። በቀላሉ ፌድ ያደርግም ዱሬብል ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄን ከለር ብገዛው ምን ይመስላል? What do you think about this? So what do you think in boutiques? What do you think in a restaurant? What do you think in libraries? Yes. Number 7. She wants our support. What do you think? I'm going to support her. She can come on the right line, on the right track. What do you think about that? Because she has a lot of problems. She can't cope life. Life is difficult to her, so she needs our support. So what do you think? Yeah. እሷ በራሷ ህይወት በራሷ አልቆበላትም የኛን ድጋፍ ፈልጋለች ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምታስበው can we support her or can we tell to our friends our family to contribute something to her obviously yeah ብዙ ሐሳብን ጀነሬት እንድናደርግ ነው what do you think she wants our support what do you think look her she's our friend she's our family she's our neighbor she wants the families the society support so what do you think የቤተሰብን ድጋፍ የሶሳይቲውን ድጋፍ ፈልግ so what do you think nice what do you think yeah next one let's cross the road on that this is our left side what do you think we are on the crossroad please crossing the crossroad here this is the crossroad so if first look left and the right then we cross the crossroad what do you think about that yes what do you think this is our left side so what do you think yeah crossroad ላይ ነው ግራህን መጀመሪያ ከዛ ቀኝ እስኪ መኪና ቸክ አድርገና what do you think እንደዚህ አድርገን ብናልፍ of course there is crowd of traffic here so what do you think if we cross the crossroad by doing this what do you think about that yes you can write next crossroad ላይ what do you think እንጠቀምበታለን yeah nice we don't have time to visit the patient so look here so we should postpone to another time what do you think one of my friend was sick and he was in hospital for operation but actually we don't have time to visit the patient so after today we are busy and we don't have time so why don't you postpone and visit maybe another time what do you think because we don't have time you and me don't have time we are busy now so what do you think if we visit him maybe tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon of course that's true please yeah what do you think I know just it's not our first time to see here about whether he is sick or not we heard but we don't have time we are busy so let's postpone to tomorrow and we'll visit you what do you think about that በታውን ሰምተናል ግን ምንም አልቻልንም መሄድ ሰዓት የለንም ስለዚህ ነገ ፖስትፖን እናድርገውና ነገ ጧት 4 ሰዓት ሄደን ብናየው ምን ይመስላል ብዬ ስጠይቀው what do you think እንጠቀማለን what do you think if we visit tomorrow maybe if tomorrow afternoon of course what do you think nice the bedroom is not neat and it says pass through the balcony window so we must change the hotel now right we are having a bed in Hilton Hotel but the bedroom is not neat and the windows are broken and some flies pass through and disturb actually it's not expected from Hilton Hotel so it's not expected from some hotel alright in an international hotel maybe any kind of normal hotel actually so I don't want to stay here I don't want to pass my time here so I have decided to change the hotel into another hotel what do you think እኔ እንደዚህ የሆነ በቃ እዚህ ጋር ማድር አልፈልግም ስለዚህ ሌላ ቦታ ብንቀይር ምን ይመስላል what do you think ተቀበታለሁ of course that's true what do you think look here it's not neat please the resting room and also the shower the bathroom is not neat not clean not soap actually look the windows broken so never I cannot live I want to live totally here so what do you think yeah right nice number 11 those who always work hard will be rich what do you think yeah this called I don't know this got I know it's a kind of opinion yeah those who always work hard maybe just will be rich what do you think yeah መንድ በቃ ማንኛውም ሰው ጠንክሮ የሚሰራ ሀብታም ሊሆን ይችላል እንዴት ታስባለህ ነው the kind of opinion what is it not necessarily ሊሆን ይችላል not necessarily yes the two friends are in conflict and they do not greet each other so shall we cancel them what do you think I have two friends and they are in conflict because of some unknown reasons they do not greet each other whenever they meet here so why don't we reconcile them what do you think about that right ሁለት ጓደኞች አሉ ስለዚህ ጣልተዋል እነሱ አይነጋገሩም ስናፍ ናቸው ስለዚህ የሆነ ታይም አጀስትመንት ፈጥረን ለምንድን ነው ማናስማማቸው ምን ታስባለህ ነው ያለው አይደል what do you think they are in quarrel so they lose their intimacy so I have already decided to agree to reconcile them so what do you think about them this as another use of what do you think the 12 use of what do you think 12ኛው what do you think አጠቃቀም ነው mine is mine and yours is yours we all stand on our own what do you think right የኔ ነው ያንተ የራስን ነው ሁላችን በራሳችን ላይ ነው መቆም አለብን ምን ይመስላል what do you think about it this is mine and that's yours we stand on our own what do you think I don't want to use your own and you don't want to use your if I don't want if I want you can just borrow me if you want I can lend you of course but yours is yours and mine is mine so what do you think of course that's right this is called personal opinion right personal opinion nice this is actually called the very important daily English expression you are late and what do you think important so we use you are late and what do you think in a very different aspects please all right እነዚህን ስትጠቀማውን ያልዳሰስኳቸው ጉዳዮች የሉኝም ዳስቻቸዋለሁ አይደል ስለዚህ ምንድነው ኮንፊደንስ ዴቨሎፕ ያደርግልኛል እኔ you are late በ14 በ15 መንገድ የምጠቀምኩ I can develop my confidence oral fluency communicative አቅሜ እየዳበረ ይሄዳል ማለት ነው so just what about you can you just give your own context and try to practice and try to communicate with your friends I hope you will do it all right I hope you will do this next time I'm going to present the other very important English words idioms and slangs ላይ ነው ማመጣው የሚቀጥለው idiom ምንድነው slang ምንድነው ጥቅማቸው ምንድነው እንዴት እንጠቀምባቸው I'm going to present this will be the end but look here these parts are very important you like my video channel please YouTube channel please like and share and subscribe thank you this is from Family Elec